Reinforcement. Command to draw reinforcement on structural plan, slabs, beams, columns, etc. When you run the command, a dialog box appears to make your choice for reinforcement type, text, and how to draw it. On top, select line type, and draw hooks at ends or not. At reinforcement type box at left, select a type. Highlighted type shows reinforcement preview on the right, with X mark to indicate the point to select. Select from reinforcement text drop-down list, the text for reinforcement, diameter and spacing. All reinforcement and text are drawn on their own layers, created automatically. Try all types to see how to draw your reinforcement easily.